This is a short video to show you a light setup for your swimming pool. This box with the green writing on is the light transformer, which has the physical cable from the light itself plugged into the bottom. The way that this is set up so that you can control the lights with the remote is that this box needs to get plugged under the underside of this box into the pool side. Now this may change if you have a pool and a spa, but usually everybody only has a set of pool lights. Now that the transformer is plugged into the remote receiver, we can now turn on our pool lights using the light remote. Now that the transformer is plugged into the remote receiver box, you should simply just be able to turn the lights on by pressing the top left button. Attention to the color in the top left, because if we hit the mode button, it will cycle through which socket on the underside of the iris receiver tells the light to turn on. So when we're in pool mode, which is green, the lights will turn on. When we hit it again and it's in red, there is nothing currently plugged into the spa side of the controller, so it won't turn anything on.